Today we're going to make some butter to have with our bleu noir crepes. So we've got some double cream and Daddy's going to use the whisk to make the butter. Okay, so we've got past the whipped cream stage and now we're reaching the butter stage and the small milk is coming out, as you can see down there. We're going to drain that. All right. And I keep beating. And we get more of that milk out. They called it tears in France.
Did they actually pour it out like that?
Yeah, they did. Well, they didn't do it that way. They did it in a different way.
Some water to wash the milk. This will take the white liquid out, so the butter stays fresher for longer.
Should we put it in the fridge? Right, so that's homemade milk out of cream left over. Now, this stuff we want to get rid of. So if we try to...
the liquid?
Yeah, so let's get it in there. Wait a minute. So here on the right is the milk, which is very creamy still, that came out of the whipped cream. And then this one is the sort of more liquidy, watery milk that came from washing the cream. By extracting these two from the butter, makes your butter more yellow, less white, and also increases the amount of time it stays fresh for. And it stays fresh for longer if you add salt. So this is the butter. So after beating it, we poured out the leftover small milks, and then we washed it with water, and that gave watered down small milks, and we got rid of that. And the reason why you get rid of the small milks is it helps preserve the butter. Then we added some salt, which also further preserves the butter. So now we've got quite a nice lot of butter. And we use that to make crepes au bleu noir. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button.